Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Business Ideas. In this video, we'll be talking about Cardano and how to make money with them. But before we begin, be sure to subscribe to our channel so you never miss on any of our latest uploads. Now, without further ado, let's begin with today's video. Cardano is a blockchain platform designed to process transactions using a dedicated cryptocurrency called ADA. The Cardano platform can handle all kinds of transactions, but the real goal is to become the internet of blockchains, creating an ecosystem that allows seamless interchangeability between different blockchains. Let's look at how Cardano ADA stacks up against the other major cryptocurrency players. What is Cardano? Cardano is a blockchain and ADA is a coin that powers the Cardano network. This is similar in some ways to Ether and the Ethereum blockchain. Think of Bitcoin as crypto 1.0. It's essentially digital gold, but the system is beset with scalability issues. Then there's Ethereum, often referred to as crypto 2.0. Cardano launched in 2017, is crypto 3.0 with the goal of improving upon the functionality that Ethereum was initially missing. Charles Hoskinson founded Cardano and he's also the co-founder of Ethereum. Hoskinson had a falling out with the Ethereum team due to a dispute with co-founder Vitalik Buterin in 2014 regarding whether the Ethereum project should be commercial or not. Hoskinson moved on to launch Cardano as a more scalable, interoperable and sustainable blockchain, intending to improve upon Bitcoin and Ethereum. Referred to by supporters as an Ethereum killer, Cardano's ongoing development is supported by the Cardano Foundation and the IOHK Research Institute, which engage in resources and development and peer review via a formal development model, said Henrik Gebbing, co-CEO and co-founder of Finoa, a digital asset custodian. One of the major criticisms of Bitcoin and other popular cryptocurrencies is that their blockchain networks based on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms waste huge amounts of energy. Cardano uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism, offering a more sustainable and scalable blockchain. What is ADA? ADA is the cryptocurrency for the Cardano platform. Cardano's coin is named after Ada Lovelace, a 19th century mathematician known as the first computer programmer. People use ADA tokens to pay for transactions fees for using the platform. It's also given out to the validators as a reward for running the proof-of-stake system. How does Cardano work? With the blockchain network, there needs to be a way to verify transactions to ensure people don't spend the same tokens twice. Given the decentralization, there's no central authority like a bank working to handle the job. Based on proof-of-work consensus mechanisms, Bitcoin and Ethereum 1.0 miners run computers to solve complex mathematical equations and add new blocks of data to the blockchain, receiving crypto in exchange for their work. This is time-consuming and uses up large amounts of electricity. Cardano uses staking, a process where network participants deposit set amounts of crypto to earn the right to participate in the operation of the blockchain. The Cardano protocol is designed to keep energy expenditure during the block production process to a minimum, said Daniel Hill, president of Hill Wealth Strategies. How to earn a passive income with Cardano? There are several ways to learn how to earn passive income with Cardano, mostly requiring minimal interaction with protocols. Firstly, we begin with the lesser-known way of making a passive income. Trading. You may be thinking that trading is not a form of passive income. However, there is a possibility to make trading work for you. Algorithmic trading is where you can program a bot to carry out specified trades upon certain criteria being met. Should you wish to trade Cardano's ADA token when you're at work or asleep, algorithmic trading could be a perfect solution. Algorithmic trading is the only income stream in this list that requires that bit more initial effort and energy, however the returns could be substantially more. Staking. There are two ways that you can currently learn how to earn a passive income with Cardano through staking. Holding the ADA token represents a percentage of a stake in the Cardano network, proportional to the amount of ADA held. With your stake, you have two options. Delegate to a stake pool for users who want to make their ADA work for them, but without the hassle and responsibilities of running a node. A delegation is a natural option for users. This allows people to be rewarded in proportion to their delegate stake in the pool. A fantastic and easy way to learn how to earn a passive income with Cardano. Staking is easy. There is no lockup period, so you can be assured that your ADA can be unlocked at any time. Comparatively, when staking on Ethereum 2.0, it could be a year or longer before staking rewards are distributed. There is the option to stake ADA using the Yoroi wallet. Yoroi, similar to MetaMask, is a web browser wallet that allows you to stake in multiple pools simultaneously. ADA staking rewards approximately 5% per year on average, depending on the pool chosen. Staking rewards are paid in ADA approximately every 5 days. Run your own node or stake pool. Cardano staking pools are designed so the network does not become controlled by a small group of nodes. Aiming for a high level of decentralization, Cardano is planning to have as many nodes as possible to reduce the chance of concentration. To incentivize this, staking rewards go down when a pool near the point of saturation. When the amount of ADA in any given pool reaches a certain threshold, the staking returns begin to diminish and rewards are reduced. This encourages pool operators to modify the parameters of their pool so that returns remain profitable. Additionally, this motivates stakers to move to another pool to receive higher staking rewards. The current saturation point is 210 million ADA, but this will be reduced to 64 million ADA from December 6th. Hodling. Finally, the easiest way to earn a passive income with Cardano is arguably by sitting back and hodling tight. Hodling is a crypto term referring to 1. Keeping their coins safe in a wallet with no intention of selling or trading. This is a great way to watch your wealth grow along with the price of the token without the need for trading action. There are so many reasons to be bullish on Cardano, mainly so for the launch of the ERC20 token converter. How to earn a passive income with Cardano. Conclusion: the future roadmap for Cardano looks to further extend the ecosystem. Cardano aims to become more decentralized than Bitcoin, and with the meticulous work, time and energy put into the Cardano project, this doesn't seem too unrealistic. Amid the recent discussion regarding potential voter fraud in the US election, Charles Hoskinson tweeted President Donald Trump offering to solve the problem by building a transparent blockchain voting platform without any delays in the counting process. This just showcases how this sort of innovation is at our fingertips, and it is projects like Cardano that show the expertise and the creativity within the industry to do so. Now that you understand how to earn a passive income with Cardano, putting your money to work just got easier. Cardano is one of the most highly respected blockchain projects in the space, with some of the greatest talents. Although the project is technically still a work in progress, the staking capabilities are going to be a game changer. Despite the long wait, finally, Cardano is rolling out what looks to be an exciting roadmap for the project. Check out Ivan on Tech Academy if you want to learn more about blockchain education and other interesting cryptocurrency projects. Well guys, that's all we have for you for today. What are your thoughts on this? Get involved and let us know in the comment section down below what you think about today's video. If you liked this video and found it informative, then be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any of the new future videos like these, then be sure to click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification under the video so that you're notified the next time we upload a new video. Thanks for watching guys, we hope you have a great day today and we'll see you in the next video.